Hey people, it's been so long since I'd done a recording, so I thought I should make this video. So I just have to say that on Netflix there's this movie called Bhakshak, which stars Bhumi Pednekar and among others. These it is one of the most powerful films that I've seen on Netflix in the recent past because it's basically based on this there was this whole scam that was in Uttar Pradesh, which is the Muzaffarnagar, at an orphanage. Young girls were being exploited, and so this movie is loosely based on that incident, because in this movie the Muzaffarpur has been shown as some place as Munawarpur, some place like that. Apparently there's a village by that name in Uttar Pradesh, but oh my god, such a hard hitting film, and full marks to Bhumi Pednekar for bringing alive this character. I mean, this film it's like a statement on how women journalists and generally working women professionals have to deal with hostility at home and then at the workplace when they are trying to find their feet. And oh my god, and the kind of, it's a hard hitting film. So truly people, if there's one film that is like a must watch because it's so eye opening, it is this film called Bhakshak on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.